Okay, today I will be mixing intermediate restorative material, which is IRM. It is typically used for like a cavity preparation or restoration, but it only lasts up to 1 year. My mixing time will be 1 minute, and my ratio will be 1 scoop of this and 1 drop of this. And so initially, first we have to fluff the powder and prepare this as well. And I have my alcohol gauze pads in here. I have my stainless steel spatula, my glass slab, and my scooper. Okay, so I will now begin to prep this, and I will even it out using a spatula. And close it. Now I'll get my dropper. And put my 1 drop. Just making sure there's no more excess in here. And then before I begin mixing, I flatten out my powder, and I'm gonna separate it into 3 increments. So you mix the first increment first with the liquid, and the second, and then the third. And so this is how I have it set up. Okay, and now I will begin to mix for 1 minute. Okay, my mixing time is done. And now I get this and prepare it into a little ball. I'm just grabbing any excess powder that I might have not incorporated. Then it should look like this. And then later on it will harden. And before you use this for the pulp, you use the calcium hydroxide liner, and then you place this on top. And that is mixing IRM.